just going to show you how to make this pretty little, I just thought it's like a pretty little gold embossed, summery, very fresh sort of card, just to sort of send to somebody to say hello or get well or just whatever. I'm using a bit of scrap DSP, I think it's from the Tea Shop suite from last year's Stampin' Up. I'm using Dandelion Wishes, gold embossing powder, heat embossing technique, and a very vanilla base with a very vanilla piece on top. My base is a 5x4, so my DSP is a 3 7/8 by 4 7/8, and then this little piece here on top measures 4 by 2, I think, or 4 by 3. Okay, and then I'm here embossing, so I'll just show you how to make it. I'm just taking this piece of scrap paper and I'm putting my piece of cardstock on there. I'm just going to use my embossing buddy, and all this does is it stops any of the embossing powder sticking to anything I don't want it to stick to. And then I'm going to take my image, my stamp, and I'm going to just attach it to the block there. Pop this on, sending well wishes your way. I'm going to stamp it all in one go. Just make sure that it fits. It does. And then I'm going to use this clear perfect medium, which I got from Create and Craft, and I absolutely love it. I prefer it to Versamark, I find it more sticky, and I know that I've got it where I want it. There we go, that's beautiful now. You see that? Heat embossed. And I'll get back my card. And that's my finished card. It's quite a pretty little light, summery feeling card. I like that. So there's that one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again very soon.